Welcome to our exploration of one of the most profound sections of the Bible, Matthew chapters 5 to 8. Imagine sitting on a hillside, eager to hear Jesus himself unveil his revolutionary teachings. These chapters are famously known as the Sermon on the Mount, offering a roadmap to a life of purpose and righteousness. Chapter 5 begins with the Beatitudes, a series of blessings that turn the world's values upside down. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Here, Jesus introduces the idea that true happiness is found not in power, but in humility and mercy. As you journey further, you'll encounter the call to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. This is not just advice, but an invitation to live a life that positively impacts others. The chapter continues by expanding on the laws given in the Old Testament, urging listeners to strive for a deeper, heartfelt commitment to God's commands. Chapter 6 shifts focus to daily practices like giving, praying, and fasting. The Lord's Prayer, in verses 9 to 13, stands out, teaching us how to connect genuinely with God. It's not about grand gestures, but sincerity. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Jesus encourages us to seek treasures in heaven and trust God for our needs, steering clear of worry and worldly distractions. In chapter 7, Jesus offers wisdom on judgment and discernment, advising to first take the plank out of your own eye. This emphasis on self-awareness and humility is crucial. Here, the famous ask, seek, knock passage emerges, a promise that those who earnestly seek will find. Jesus concludes with a choice. Build your life on solid rock or shifting sand, symbolizing the foundation of one's faith. Chapter 8 dazzles with Jesus' miracles, showcasing his authority over sickness, nature, and spirits, proving his divine power. Healing the leper and calming the storm are tangible signs of Jesus practicing what he preached, inviting us to witness faith in action. These chapters of Matthew challenge us to live counterculturally, embrace humility, and put faith into practice. Each teaching and miraculous act builds a powerful narrative that encourages a deeper exploration of life's most meaningful questions. Will you take the journey to live this transformative path? Join us, and let's delve into these life-changing teachings together.